Hello everyone, all students grade 5. Well, welcome to today's video. We are going to study movements of the earth. We begin this. I want to talk today a small part for the last periods. Focus with me. I explain a small revision for these points: transparent, translucent and opaque. First part for transparent, that means is an object that allow light passed through it and they hardly cast shadow. And also translucent is an object that allow only small part from the light that passes through it. And the last part, opaque, don't allow light passes through it. And the same the figure that below, that transparent, translucent and also opaque. And the last part for the last periods for the sensor that used for measure intensity of light. So how much light passes through an object, that we can say use the sensor that attached with data logger to measure the intensity of light. This is the last part. Today let's start with us for solar system and start from the first point. First point for the earth. Earth is a part of a system in space called solar system. So start from this point, solar system. Check this figure that found in space. Let's move on another part for the solar system. Includes the sun, the first structure, the first part, the sun, and also 8 planets from the Mercury to Neptune. Later I explain all these parts for the names for the planets. So the first part for this lesson, the solar system. The solar system includes the sun and 8 planets. 8 planets from first structure, from after the sun to the last part. I explain all these points later. The sun, the first structure. The sun is a star. The first structure from solar system is sun. Sun is a star located at the center of the solar system. You can say that have position that located at the center of the solar system, and also all planets revolve around it. So the first part from the solar system, the sun at the center of the solar system. And also planets from Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. All these 8 planets includes Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and also Neptune. All these 8 planets that revolves around the sun. So I give you a small summary. The first structure, the sun, at the center of the solar system, and also includes 8 planets. 8 planets revolves around the sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and also Neptune. Let's move on the first part from the solar system, the sun. The sun is a giant ball of gases that have more gases, and also the main source of light and heat on the earth. So without the sun, no life on the earth. The first part, the sun is a giant ball of gas and that release energy, and also the major source of light and heat on the earth. Without sun, no life on the earth. Let's move on another part for the satellites and moon. Satellites that revolves around the earth, such as I give you an example for the earth. And satellite is an object the same this part, the same this figure. This is satellite and this is Earth, and that's found in space in solar system that revolves around an object. That revolves around an object. The same this example for the Earth. And I give you a small part for the Earth. The Earth is blue color because it have more lands and lots of sea, so it looks blue color. It looks blue color. That's small information about the Earth. Satellites and moon. Satellites is an object that revolve around another object. All this in the space. The last part for this section, the moon. The moon is the second brightest object. So the first brightest object is sun that found in space. The second brightest object in the sky after the sun is the moon. So the moon is it appears light because it reflects light from the sun. So the moon reflects light from the sun, so it is brightest object that found in the sky after the sun. So I give you a small video, solar system song, that is very important, a very important point, and it's very interesting in this class. So listen.
Sun, I'm a burning ball of fire. I'm very big indeed. Life on earth depends on me. I am the sun. I am Mercury. I'm the closest planet to the sun. I'm a ball of iron. I have no moon. I am Mercury. I am Venus. I'm the same size as the Earth, but I spin the other way, much more slowly. I have no water. I am Venus. I am the Earth, the place where we all live. There is land and lots of sea, so I look blue. I have a moon. I am the Earth. I am Mars. I'm a rocky red planet. My mountains are the highest in our solar system. I have 2 moons. I am Mars. I am Jupiter. I'm a gas giant. I'm the biggest, and I spin the fastest. I have the biggest moon. I am Jupiter. I am Saturn. I'm a gas giant. My rings are made of ice. Titan is my biggest moon. I am Saturn. I am Uranus. I'm an icy gas giant. I'm the coldest planet in our solar system, and I have rings made of dust. I am Uranus. I am Neptune. I'm an icy gas giant. I'm the farthest planet from the sun. I have many storms. I am Neptune. We are the soul